Did you know that Coca-Cola is sold in over 200 countries? That means, almost anywhere you travel on the planet, you're likely to find a familiar red and white bottle waiting for you. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the remote villages in Africa, Coca-Cola has become a universal symbol recognized by billions. Every single day, people drink more than 1.9 billion servings of Coca-Cola and its products around the world. That's an astonishing number. Imagine nearly 2 billion moments of refreshment, laughter and connection happening every day, all thanks to this iconic beverage. To put it in perspective, that's almost 1 in 4 people on Earth enjoying a Coke each day. Whether it's a quick break at work, a family picnic, or a celebration with friends, Coca-Cola is there, bringing people together in every corner of the globe. From the bright lights of big cities to the quiet charm of small villages, Coca-Cola's iconic red and white label is easy to spot. It stands out on store shelves, in vending machines, and on billboards, making it a familiar sight no matter where you are. The story of Coca-Cola began way back in 1886 when a pharmacist named John Pemberton in Atlanta, Georgia, mixed up the very first glass. What started as a simple experiment in a small pharmacy quickly grew into something much bigger than anyone could have imagined. Ever since then, the drink has become a symbol of happiness, refreshment, and togetherness. For generations, people have reached for a Coke to share a smile, mark a special moment, or simply enjoy a refreshing break from their day. It's shared at family meals, birthday parties, weddings, and celebrations of all kinds. No matter the occasion, Coca-Cola has a way of making moments feel a little more special and a lot more joyful. Coca-Cola is not just a drink, it's a global brand, woven into the fabric of cultures and communities everywhere. Its logo appears in dozens of languages, and its message of refreshment and happiness is understood by people from all walks of life. It connects people across all cultures, languages, and ages. Whether you're young or old, from the north or the south, east or west, Coca-Cola is a drink that brings people together, creating shared experiences and lasting memories. Wherever you go, a cold Coca-Cola can make you feel at home. It's a taste of comfort and familiarity, a little reminder that no matter how far you travel, some things stay the same. This amazing popularity does not happen by accident. Behind every bottle is a vast network of people, technology, and innovation, all working together to deliver the perfect taste every time. Each bottle of Coca-Cola is made with care, precision, and a touch of mystery. The exact recipe remains a closely guarded secret, adding to the magic and allure of the world's favorite drink. From its humble beginnings to its place on tables around the world, Coca-Cola continues to refresh, unite, and inspire millions every single day. One of the biggest and most closely guarded secrets in the world is the Coca-Cola recipe. For over a century, this iconic drink has captured the imagination of millions, not just for its refreshing taste, but for the air of mystery that surrounds every single bottle. The story of Coca-Cola is as much about what's inside the bottle as it is about the secret that keeps people guessing. Only a handful of people in the entire world know the exact formula. These select few are trusted with the company's most valuable secret, and their identities are kept confidential, adding another layer to the intrigue. To protect this secret, Coca-Cola keeps the original recipe locked away in a high-security vault in Atlanta, Georgia. The vault itself has become a symbol of the brand's commitment to secrecy and tradition. The secret recipe is known as Merchandise 7X. Over the years, countless people have tried to uncover its ingredients, searching through old documents, analyzing flavors, and even attempting to recreate the taste at home. But the true formula remains elusive. Why go to such lengths to keep it hidden? The answer is simple. The taste of Coca-Cola is truly one of a kind. It's a flavor that people recognize instantly, and it's what keeps fans coming back for more, generation after generation. No other company has ever been able to duplicate it exactly. Many have tried to create similar drinks, but none have matched the unique blend of flavors that make Coca-Cola so special. By keeping the recipe a secret, Coca-Cola not only protects its brand, but also ensures that every bottle delivers the same unmistakable taste. This secrecy is a key part of what makes Coca-Cola stand out in a crowded market. Over the years, many stories and rumors have swirled around the recipe. People love to speculate about what might be inside, and these tales have only added to the drink's legendary status. Some say the secret lies in a hint of cinnamon, or perhaps a dash of nutmeg, or even a splash of orange oil. Others believe there are even more exotic ingredients hidden within the formula, giving Coca-Cola its signature taste. But the truth is, nobody outside the company knows for sure. The real recipe remains a mystery, locked away from the world. This sense of mystery is part of what makes Coca-Cola so fascinating. People everywhere are drawn to the idea that every bottle holds a secret, making each sip a small piece of history and intrigue. Even though the exact recipe is a closely guarded secret, we do know that every bottle is made with care, using high-quality ingredients and a process perfected over decades. That's the magic of Coca-Cola, a drink that's both familiar and mysterious, enjoyed by millions, yet still holding secrets after all these years. While the full recipe for Coca-Cola remains one of the world's most closely guarded secrets, shrouded in mystery and speculation for over a century, the company does reveal some of the main ingredients that go into every bottle, giving us a glimpse into what makes this iconic drink so unique and beloved across the globe. Every single bottle of Coca-Cola starts with pure, filtered water, which forms the base of the beverage. This water is carefully treated to ensure it's free from impurities, providing a clean canvas for the flavors to shine. Next, sugar is added, which gives Coca-Cola its signature sweetness and helps balance the other flavors. Caramel color is then blended in, not just for taste, but to give the drink its deep, rich brown hue that's instantly recognizable in a glass or bottle. This coloring is made by heating sugar, creating that classic look we all associate with Coca-Cola. Phosphoric acid is another key ingredient. It adds a tangy, slightly sharp taste that balances out the sweetness and gives Coca-Cola its refreshing bite. Caffeine is also included, providing a gentle energy boost and contributing to the drink's unmistakable flavor profile. This caffeine content is part of what gives Coca-Cola its reputation as a pick-me-up, making it a favorite for people looking for a little extra energy throughout the day. But perhaps the most intriguing part of the recipe is the blend of natural flavors. These are mixed in carefully, and their exact identities are kept secret, even among many Coca-Cola employees. Some believe these flavors come from a combination of fruits, spices, and herbs, possibly including hints of citrus, cinnamon, nutmeg, or even vanilla. Over the years, countless people have tried to guess the exact blend, but the true formula remains a mystery. To further balance the taste, acids like citric acid or phosphoric acid are added, giving the drink a subtle sourness that keeps it from being overly sweet and enhances its crisp, refreshing finish. In some countries, high-fructose corn syrup is used instead of traditional sugar. This ingredient serves the same purpose, sweetening the drink, though some people claim to notice a slight difference in taste. Despite these regional differences in sweeteners, Coca-Cola's flavor remains remarkably consistent worldwide thanks to strict quality controls and careful recipe management. So even though we can read the ingredients label and recognize many of the components, the precise combination and proportions of these parts are still a closely guarded secret, adding to the drink's mystique. Now let's take a closer look at how all these carefully selected ingredients come together in the factory to create the world's most famous soft drink. The first step in making Coca-Cola is mixing the syrup. Workers combine sugar, caramel color, acids, caffeine, and the all-important secret flavor in large tanks. This thick, sweet syrup is the base of every bottle. Next, the syrup is blended with clean filtered water. Water quality is very important. It is filtered many times to make sure it is pure and clear. The right balance of syrup and water is checked carefully. In fact, every Coca-Cola factory around the world follows the same careful steps. Machines mix huge amounts at a time, but the process is almost the same as the very first batch. Once the syrup and water are mixed, it's time to add the bubbles that make each sip exciting. Carbonation is what gives Coca-Cola its famous fizz. To make those bubbles, factories add carbon dioxide gas to the liquid. This is done under high pressure so the gas mixes with the drink. The amount of carbonation is checked with special machines. If there are too many bubbles, the drink could, explode out of the bottle. If there are too few, it just won't taste right. Getting it just right is important for that classic Coke pop. Bubbles aren't just for fun though, they actually help carry the smell and taste of Coca-Cola to your nose and mouth. That's why, opening a bottle brings a burst of aroma and fizz. With the drink ready, the next step is to put it into bottles for people everywhere. Coca-Cola comes in many types of bottles, plastic, glass, and cans. Factories actually make many of these bottles themselves from tiny plastic pellets. The pellets are melted and shaped into bottles using hot air and molds. Glass bottles, on the other hand, are washed and reused many times. They're cleaned in special machines to make sure there's no dust or leftover drink inside. Both glass and plastic bottles are checked for cracks or weak spots. The famous Coca-Cola bottle shape is, well, easy to recognize. It was designed in 1915 and hasn't changed much since then. The design helps the bottle stay strong and easy to hold. Now, the bottles are ready to be filled with the delicious drink. Filling the bottles is a fast and careful process, designed to keep everything clean and efficient. Machines line up the empty bottles and fill them with Coca-Cola at high speed, making sure each one is filled perfectly. Some factories can fill thousands of bottles every single minute thanks to advanced technology. Next, each bottle is sealed tightly with a cap or lid to lock in freshness. This keeps the bubbles inside and the drink fresh, so it tastes great when you open it. After sealing, the bottles move to labeling machines for the next step. Bright red labels are added, showing the famous logo and important information for customers. Each bottle is checked carefully to make sure it is filled just right and meets quality standards. Any bottle that does not pass the test is removed and checked again for safety. After labeling, the bottles are almost ready to leave the factory and reach you. Quality control is one of the most important parts of making Coca-Cola. Every step, from mixing to labeling, is checked by workers and machines. This makes sure every bottle tastes just as good as the last. Factories are kept very clean. Workers wear special clothes and wash their hands often. Machines are cleaned every day. If something is not clean or safe, the whole batch can be stopped. Samples of Coca-Cola are tested in labs. Experts check the color, smell, and taste. They also make sure no germs or harmful things are inside. This careful work helps Coca-Cola stay safe and tasty, no matter where in the world you buy it. Once the bottles are ready, they are packed into boxes or trays. Trucks, trains, and ships carry Coca-Cola all over the world. The company has a huge network to make sure stores everywhere get fresh bottles quickly. Coca-Cola is working hard to help the environment. The company uses less water and energy in factories. It also makes bottles lighter and uses recycled plastic. Many places have bottle return programs to recycle or reuse empty bottles. Factories try to make less waste. They also use clean energy like solar and wind power when possible. These steps help protect the earth for the future. Coca-Cola knows that making drinks is important, but caring for the planet is just as important. The journey of Coca-Cola from factory to your hand is amazing. It starts with a secret recipe and ends with a cold, refreshing drink. Every bottle is made with care, science, and a bit of magic. The steps are all connected: mixing, bubbling, bottling, and shipping. Quality and safety are always the top concern. The company also thinks about the environment and future generations. Next time you drink Coca-Cola, remember all the work behind it. The secret recipe, the careful process, and the people who make it all possible. It is a story of tradition, innovation, and global teamwork. That's the secret behind every bottle. Not just a drink, but a marvel of science and dedication.